Hello everybody, I'm Arjasra और आप देख रहे हैं रेडियो सुना 90.4 FM and today we have with us another personality, एक और कहानी हमारी जुबानी और एक ऐसी कहानी जो एक एथलीट हैं, बारामूला से रहने वाले हैं और कश्मीर से तो हैं पर कश्मीर से घूम फिर कर बहुत सी जगह उन्होंने ट्रैवल किया है इसलिए क्योंकि they have played a lot of things, चैंपियनशिप्स खेली हैं, फिट इंडिया एम्बेसडर रहे हैं और कहीं ना कहीं हमें इनके बारे में और जानने का मौका मिल रहा है. So this is Taekwondo player with us, Danish Manzoor. How are you feeling? What is the feeling?
Thank you so much, firstly, for inviting me in your show.
Yes.
I'm feeling really good.
I'm feeling good too, and I hope कि आपके पास ये मौका है अभी कि you will talk about yourself and you'll talk about कि आपकी journey क्या रही है. And I want to ask you that why Taekwondo?
Basically, Taekwondo, because there are many martial arts in sports, in Indian sports, but few martial arts are recognized in the Olympic categories. So basically, main चीज Taekwondo क्यों start करना था? It was basically because it's being recognized internationally.
Mm-hmm.
It is being like recognized by the Indian Olympic Association as well as the
Yes.
International Olympic
For
Association.
sure it is.
That's
That's
basically the reason.
that
exactly.
was the reason for you. So where did you actually started? Was it like Kashmir से हैं आप और
जी.
बारामूला से हैं? So where was it that beginning आपकी कहाँ से हुई है?
Beginning basically from a local club in Baramulla.
Mm-hmm.
तो मेरे कोच साहब थे साजिद साहब, तो होपफुली वो भी इस प्रोग्राम को देखेंगे इंशाल्लाह. एंड देयर वाज माय अनदर कोच अशफाक वानी साहब. तो वहाँ से मेरा जो सफ़र था इस जर्नी का, दैट स्टार्टेड फ्रॉम दैट एकेडमी. इट वाज बारामुला टाइक्वांडो एकेडमी.
बारामूला से. तो व्हाट वाज द फर्स्ट चैंपियनशिप यू वेंट फॉर? लाइक कश्मीर से बाहर आप पहली बार कब गए थे? एंड स्पेशली बिकॉज ऑफ योर प्रोफेशन, बिकॉज ऑफ योर स्पोर्ट.
कश्मीर से बाहर का जो बेसिकली जो स्टार्ट हुआ, दैट वाज इन अपॉर्चुनिटी तो 2019 से पहले ही आई थी, बिकॉज आई मेड माई टीम इंडिया डेब्यू इन 2019. बट चूंकि अनफॉर्चुनेटली यहाँ पे कुछ हालात नहीं रहे थे फिर फेवर में हमारे, उसके बाद कोविड भी आ गया. देन इन 2022 आई पार्टिसिपेटेड इन दिस रैंकिंग इवेंट, इजराइल ओपन G2 ओलंपिक रैंकिंग इवेंट. And there I just that was my first ever overseas event in Taekwondo.
Yes, and that was I believe कि आपका experience काफी अच्छा रहा है. That is the reason that kept you going till
Exactly.
now. And I heard that you have won bronze medal Jordan में recently.
Yes,
that was
yes,
something,
yes,
and
yes.
I really want to know the insiders about it.
Basically, I participated in different Olympic ranking events till date. I participated in the G1 championships, G2 Olympic ranking events. In fact, the G4, I was the sole representative of Team India in 2023 in South Korea,
That's
Seoul.
something really great.
Exactly, and I was ranked 5th in that event, competing with the top and losing with the Korean national Taekwondo team.
Okay.
That is something which is a dream of every single athlete across the world.
This is
to
the first
competing
time
with
I'm
the
seeing
Korean.
some athlete who is glorifying the loss.
Yes, exactly. I was competing with the Olympians. I was competing with the Olympic
that means
medalists.
something for
Both
sure.
the events we were in the team event. Both the participants were the Olympians, and they had the medals in their tally from the recent Olympics, Tokyo Olympics.
Oh yeah.
So that was something really big for me to compete against them.
Compete and you are wearing it like an honor कि
Yeah, exactly.
मैंने हारा है, बट हारना भी बहुत बड़ी बात है क्योंकि वहां से जो कंपटीशन था एक लेवल है. और कहीं ना कहीं इज इट बिकॉज कि आप मतलब आपकी प्रिपरेशन का क्या रहता है? लाइक व्हाट इज स्पेशली व्हाट यू डू इन योर डेली लाइफ टू बी प्रिपेयर्ड, बिकॉज इट्स ऑल अबाउट डिसिप्लिन. स्पोर्ट्स इज अ लाइफस्टाइल.
Exactly. Coming back to your first question, the Jordan question.
Yes.
I came to Jordan. I went there for the training camp.
Mm-hmm.
So my association, J&K Taekwondo Association, was our this whole sole body, governing body of Taekwondo in Jammu and Kashmir. They supported me for an event, for a camp basically in Jordan. So I was there. I trained with the Jordanian National Olympic Taekwondo team for 17 days.
Okay.
So after that, this event came, the 13th Elite Cup International Taekwondo Championship. It is one of the biggest events in the Arab countries. So there were a few more countries from the Europe as well. Canada was there. There were so many countries. So this was an historic event for me as well, because I was competing again as a top Olympic athletes.
Okay.
There were almost 30 to 35 Olympic recognized athletes who are competing in that event.
Alright.
So securing a medal in the Olympic weight category was
That
something
means a
very
lot.
important
That's
for
something
her.
very important
Exactly.
in
And this
your
was my
own
first
journey
ever
too.
international medal.
Okay, this was your first international medal. There have been a lot of times जब आपने इंडिया को represent किया
Exactly.
है, and that is so nice, and you should be proud of yourself, and we
Exactly.
all are proud of you.
Thank you so much.
And moreover, I want to ask you, this is like an icebreaker question. If not taekwondo, what sports would you play?
No doubt boxing.
Boxing.
Because I was pretty much into boxing as well. My coach Ashfaq Wani Sahab, he trained me in such a way I was able to like throw the punch equally as I was throwing the kicks, and I was very good at the ground game as well.
Okay.
So we were trained in such a way to compete in every aspect of martial arts. And
Okay,
there are-
like everything. Martial arts is
exactly,
like a very
yeah. But when you go for
vast
the
field.
recognized games,
Mhm.
then you have to just pick one. Taekwondo is
So-
all about the kicking mostly.
Oh yes, it is. So you talked about the coaches. Are there any people, especially your mentors, especially the teachers who taught you in such a way that you are at a level where you can teach a lot of people, where you can guide a lot of people? So बहुत सारे लोग ऐसे हैं जो आपको देख रहे हैं, and I am pretty sure Kashmir is full of people, full of youth जो चाहते हैं कि हम कुछ करें, उन्हें बस डायरेक्शन की जरूरत है.
जी.
So what is, firstly I would ask you कि who are the people who taught you and what will you teach to people?
दो जो कोच थे उनके बारे में मैंने आपसे बात की, but in 2018 after I secured my first national medal in 2016,
Yes.
the coach who pushed me, I was junior at that time, but he pushed me to play the senior category.
Okay.
So he was Master Atul Pangotra. He was the former national chief coach of India, but current chief coach of Jammu and Kashmir in Taekwondo sport.
Okay.
So
he pushed you to do something that was out of your
exactly. I
comfort
would want to
zone.
describe him
Yes, I
for one
absolutely
line.
understand it.
He was the only athlete who has a straight 10 times national champion.
Okay.
A record never being like broke from someone from Jammu and Kashmir till date in Taekwondo. 10-year consecutive national gold medal.
Okay.
So I'm honored to be his disciple.
That's so nice. And like there was the second part of the question, that what would you teach people? If there are a lot of people, if there are a lot of young lads who want to be something, especially in your field,
Taekwondo.
so what would you message?
Basically, Taekwondo is all about if you are consistent in every aspect of your life,
Yes.
you will see the result. If you are not consistent, you won't see any result. If you are being provided with the support, but you are not consistently training, consistently you are doing that thing repeatedly. So you might have seen in the gym, eat, sleep, repeat,
Yes.
train, and come back again, do these things. This
Yeah.
is a formula to the success.
Yeah.
In sports as well, discipline is important.
Yeah.
The way you are the way you are surrounding yourself with the people,
Okay.
especially in sports, that describes you a lot.
So you talked about the people you surround yourself with. You work, you train, you eat, you sleep, discipline, consistency, so many like big words.
Exactly.
But at the end of the day, कहीं ना कहीं it is also about कि आपके आसपास emotional support क्या है, चाहे आप किसी भी फील्ड में हो. I believe this कि जब भी आप किसी भी फील्ड में हैं, प्रोफेशन में हैं, करियर है आपका, आपके आसपास कैसे लोग हैं वो भी बहुत मैटर करता है. And that is the same thing you said. So who were the people, the backbone emotionally and like somewhere that moral support for you?
Being into professional sports in Kashmir is a very very big challenge. So अगर आपकी फैमिली आपको सपोर्ट नहीं कर रही है इमोशनली, तो आप नहीं जा सकते हो आगे. ये सिंपल मतलब एक सिंपल आंसर टू दिस क्वेश्चन.
Yes.
तो फैमिली का बहुत ज्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट रोल है. एंड आफ्टर फैमिली देयर इज लाइक कि आपके जो जो आपकी गेम में जो आपके कंपेनियंस है, जो आपके मेट्स है, वो कैसे है, उनके साथ आपका डे टू डे लाइफ वाला
Because you spend most of the time with
Exactly,
your
उनके साथ,
like
हाँ,
workmates.
exactly,
what
वो
we call
कैसे है.
it.
I was fortunate enough to have teammates like Zan is there, Hashim is there, Suhail is there. They are like good in this Taekwondo as well. तो काफी ज्यादा अच्छा था उनके साथ. एंड इनफैक्ट सबसे ज्यादा कोच का होना. तो अतुल पंगोत्रा सर जो है, इनका बहुत ज्यादा कंट्रीब्यूशन है इन माय Taekwondo जर्नी. बहुत हद से ज्यादा कंट्रीब्यूशन है, because he is like a father figure to me.
Okay. So you said like you talked about a lot of people, and that is so nice. You recognize and you remember all of the names,
Exactly.
and you're talking about
Exactly.
it. That means a lot. So like the last thing I would ask you, what is the thing that is something that you remember? क्योंकि आपका बहुत अच्छा एक्सपीरियंस रहा
जी।
है और बहुत सारे एक्सपीरियंसेस रहे हैं इंटरनेशनली, नेशनली. सो समथिंग, any moment, any situation that you want to talk about today?
जब भी अपॉर्चुनिटीज आती थी कश्मीर में, इससे पहले भी जब आती थी कि यू आर सिलेक्टेड फॉर दिस इवेंट है वगैरह, तो हमारे पास यूजुअली क्या रहता था, अनफॉर्चुनेटली हमारे पास यहाँ पे स्पॉन्सरशिप का सपोर्ट बहुत कम रहता है, क्योंकि पीपल आर नॉट अवेयर अबाउट द स्पॉन्सरशिप्स एंड दैट टू स्पॉन्सरिंग फॉर दीज बिग इवेंट्स वगैरह, क्योंकि इनका एक्सपोजर उतना ज़्यादा हमारे कश्मीर में अब आ रहा है ना. गवर्नमेंट इज डूइंग वेरी गुड, लाइक वो डिफरेंट गेम्स की कैंप्स यहाँ पे हो रहे, डिफरेंट चैंपियनशिप्स यहाँ पे हो रहे, इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर काफी डेवलप हो गया,
एक पोडियम मिल रहा है लोगों को आने के लिए. बिल्कुल.
तो आई एम सो थैंकफुल, so honored to one of the greatest sponsors if I ever had in my life, that is the Help Foundation. So वो एक चीज मुझे हमेशा याद रहेगी कि कैसे as an NGO they supported me, and as an NGO how they are supporting the other athletes throughout Kashmir, throughout Jammu as well. Underprivileged kids भी है, they are supporting these para athletes, क्योंकि para athletes को यहाँ पे काफी सपोर्ट कम मिल रहा है. आपने भी देखा काफी कम चैंपियनशिप्स होती है पैरा गेम्स की यहाँ पे, ना होने के बराबर है. बट दैट इज वन ऑफ द एनजीओ जो पैरा स्पोर्ट्स को भी इक्वली सपोर्ट कर रही है इस टाइम पे कश्मीर में.
थैंक यू.
वो चीज मेरे दिमाग में कॉन्स्टेंटली मुझे पुश कर रही है कि नहीं, आई हैव टू डू बेटर and I have to serve the society as they are serving right now.
Yeah, like that is something really nice to say, that you want to serve the society. Exactly. And you're already serving a lot of people, and in a way that you're showing them a direction to where to go, and you're doing something good for yourself. Thank you so much, Danish. Thank you so much. So this was Danish Manzoor with us, an athlete जिन्होंने कश्मीर से अपना सफर शुरू किया, इंटरनेशनली पहुंचे, championships, what not, there is so much on the list, and I hope you enjoyed it, and कहीं ना कहीं ये crazy inspiring journey आप तक पहुंची. मैं हूँ अस्रा, this was all about me. हम हैं टीम रेडियो सुनार, and we love you all.